Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a playground. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our playground, let's begin right over here. So I just want to start off with like a simple square shape. So to draw our square, let's begin by making a line that's going to come up. We're going to come over here. Let's go down. And then let's go ahead and connect this for our little square. Now I want to make like a little opening up here. So the first thing I want to do is let's go ahead and draw a nice big upside down U. And then let's make a second one right around it, like this. Now let's put the roof on here. So let's draw a straight line right across the top of our square. Then let's go ahead and make a triangle on here. So to do that, we're just going to go up at an angle, and then we're going to come down at an angle to make our little triangle. Now on each side of here, we want to put a little bit of like a pole because we want to make this look like it's up really high. So we're going to start right here, and we're just going to draw a line that's just going to come down here. And we're going to do the same thing here, just a nice straight line that comes all the way down. Next, we're going to make another line that comes down, and then another one here that's just going to come all the way down. Then let's go ahead and connect these lines at the bottom with a little line across. Now we gotta have a way to get up here, so let's go ahead and make a little ladder. So to draw our ladder, we're just gonna draw a line that's gonna come straight down, and another one that's gonna come straight down here. Let's make another line right here, and then another one here. And then let's go ahead and just connect them. Now inside of here, let's go ahead and let's make two little lines that go across. And let's keep doing that. We'll put another two little lines here. We'll put two right here. We'll put two here. And then we can put two more right at the bottom. Now over here, let's make like a fun twisty slide. So to start off with this, we're going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve out, and then I'm going to bring this back, almost kind of like a hook. Then let's bring this line all the way over to here. It can touch right here, and then let's bring it over to here. Now starting here, let's go ahead and let's draw another line. We're going to kind of twist this around, and I'm going to bring this right to here. Then starting here, I'm going to make a big line that's going to come up. I'm going to go down and then connect it like a little oval. And then right where this curves, I'm going to bring this up here just a little bit. It almost kind of looks like a weird looking number 2. And the reason we did that is because we want this part to look like it's in front of this. Then I'm going to make another smaller oval inside of here. And then let's go ahead and we're going to add some little curved lines on here. So we're going to add these curved lines. They're just going to come right across here for our little fun twisty slide. Next, over here, let's make a little line for like a swing set. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come straight over here. And then we're going to draw another line that's going to go straight over here, and we can just connect that there. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come straight down. And then we'll make another line that's going to come straight down here. And then let's go ahead and connect both of these lines. Now, starting here, let's draw two lines that come down. So we'll draw two lines here. And then we're going to make two lines right here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little smiley face shape at the bottom of each one. Then I'm going to make another smiley face shape underneath each one. Then let's go ahead and connect these lines right here. Now, starting up here, let's make a line that's going to come across. And then let's make another triangle shape. We'll go up, and then we'll come down with our triangle. Next, we'll make a line that's going to come down, and then another line that's going to come down right here. And let's connect it. Now, starting here, let's make two little lines that come across. And then we'll make two little lines that come down here. Then right here, let's make like a little circle so you can like look out when you get up here. And then right here, let's make some little half kind of circle shapes. And these little bumps are going to be like something you can climb up to get to this area. Now let's put another slide over here. So to draw our next slide, let's start here and let's just draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to go down and kind of curve it over. Then we'll do that same thing here. We're just going to go down. We're going to kind of curve it over. And let's go ahead and connect it right here. And then I want to draw one more of these little lines up here, just to kind of give the slide a little bit of detail. Now, up here on top of our little roofs that we have, let's go ahead and let's make one and two little lines on top. And we'll do the same thing here. We'll do one and two little lines. Next, at the top, let's make a line that comes up on each side. And then let's make a little flag. We'll draw a line that's going to go down and up. And let's do another one here, but as we go down and bring it back up, we're going to make it kind of connect here. So same thing here, we're just going to go down and up. And we'll do another one here that just connects. And there you go, there is your drawing of a fun little playground. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.